Hey guys, not really sure how the audio sounds, but I hope it sounds good because it's the onboard mic and it's probably sounding very echoey this morning. So it's about 4 something this morning, getting ready to go to Vegas and go into WPPI so we can basically do this photo walk. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm tired of this crap though. Alright, so here are my quick thoughts of the trading floor. It's a lot of information, and it's a little bit overwhelming. I take away the fact that it was very educational, like it opened up this morning with Lindsay Adler. Now, a lot of things that she was talking about, I knew what it was, but basically to hear her perspective on it, hear how she delivered it, and the message, just the pure messaging behind it, it just allowed me to think about it a little bit differently, which was very helpful. So that was one aspect. And then the other aspect of it was just walking around on the trading floor itself, seeing all the different gears. Like I was able to put my hands on the new Canon Speedlight that just came out. Amazing to be able to test that out and play with it. Would I pick something up like that? I don't know, but it's a nice, cool feature to be able to put your hands on as soon as it came out. I'm hearing rumors about some announcement that's going to come out today at 4 o'clock for Sony. I don't know what that was going to be, if it's going to be the new Sony A7 or 3S or whatever it is. But you know, it's nice to be here to be part of all this excitement. So if you never came out to WPPI, this would be a great opportunity. This is my first time at WPPI, and it's a good experience. And also for the people that actually, you know, who knew who I was, I appreciate you guys basically coming up to me and saying hello. So I really appreciate that. So yes, I'm a little bit tired.
So you wanted to figure out like how to be like creative with this, like,
yeah.
right? Okay, so Ernesto is a little more experienced in life. So Ernesto, if you had this, how would you set this up, or where would you go? Just from this side, or what?
Well, first thing I'll do is I won't even worry about this just yet. First of all, I'll worry about what I want to get into my composition. So I will get my exposure there for the background first things first. So let's do that. You know how to do that, right?
From?
Well, it depends on where you.
Okay.
It's multiple places, but I was born in Guyana, grew up in the Bronx, now live in North Carolina.
Okay. So get the background exposure?
Yeah, get the background. Actually, what are you shooting with? What is that, a 50?
50.
Okay, so you probably won't be able to get all of this, maybe?
Maybe I can change to my 35.
All right.
Okay. Because I want
Hang
the
on,
gold.
let me...
I want the gold to come out.
Okay, so let's drop the exposure a little bit more. Actually, this is not high-speed sync, correct?
No.
Okay. No? Okay. So, all right. So hang on. So let's drop your what is it? Yeah, ISO is that one there?
Yeah. No, that's my ISO.
That's your ISO.
Yeah.
Okay, let's drop that to 100.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good. All right.
Oh,
so
yeah.
now
Okay.
we're gonna take this. Is that on? Looks like it might be.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, do a test shot. Let me make sure. All right. So now, I want you to come down here. Get her totally centered. Come down low.
Okay.
Make sure you get your Mandalay Bay in there. All right. Oops. Now, we're going to take a test shot with this to see how much power we need.
Okay.
So,
Probably more.
1/16 might be enough. But high speed sync, it's
So what you're gonna have to do here is 2 shots.
Okay.
Do you know how to use Photoshop?
I send it out.
You send it out? Okay, so they'll be able to take care of this. So what you need to do is take a plate shot. A plate shot is basically you take your shot that you want,
Yeah.
you keep it, and then I come in with the flash, and then they will erase me. Erase me. Okay, so get your composition.
exactly. So you got more power to put. Yeah, exactly. Where is that? Yeah, so with that.
And then tell me when to jump in.
Okay, jump in.
Hang on. How does that look?
I still think it's too well. Oh, there it goes.
All right, beautiful. 1, 2, 3. All right, that looks good. That looks fairly good, and that's what I'm gonna start with, okay? Oh, wow. So from that perspective, now we could actually start working with the model and tweak this light. So right now, I'm shooting her on the broad side. So if you can look at her face, zoom in here, right? This is considered the broad side of her face. So I want to shoot on the shadow side of the face. So I may have him to switch positions, or I could just have her to turn around. So, but since she's already there, the easiest thing is to have him go around the other side. So you could stand up, yep, same distance. Come this way a little bit. Come a little bit more. All right, hang on. 1, 2, 3. All right, so here you go. So that's the shadow side of her face. That's where I want to shoot her from, because that adds more depth and dimension to the image, and that's what I want. So from this perspective, we are ready to rock and roll. We could tweak this pose and make it. Thank you. All right, so you need a little bit, that's a little too much, unless you like that drama. No. Okay, so then decrease your shutter so it could add a little bit more, yeah, decrease the shutter so it can add a little bit more ambient light in there.
Oh, wait.
This was mine.
All right, that looks good.
I like it.
Ooh.
I like it. This is great.
It's good?
Great, dude. This is so helpful.
You're ready to rock and roll. So now you gotta work on your composition, okay? So it's either you're gonna be tight or you're gonna be wide. So which one is it that you wanna go for?
A little bit wide to get to the.
Okay, so then let's go wide. You ready? Let's go.
I said I got that with my class, with my writing class, with my writing.
Samaya, one more time. Yes, ma'am.
You said it was good, but.
Ready? Got it. All right. Here you go. Does that make sense? But could you repeat it if you have to go home is the question.
Yes, I will. I'll call you.
No. You gotta be able to do it.
Go girls. Go
That looks
girls.
nice. That's hot. All right.
I did it!
All right. So we're gonna do another shot here, but I just wanted to get her warmed up a little bit. Is it possible that you could get up here? All right. So here's what I want you to do.
Standing?
No.
Okay.
So cross your legs like this. Well, you're gonna look more elegant than I am, but I'm sure. All right. So you need a. So on this one, you could use flash if you want, but I'm gonna use natural light to get this shot. The only thing is you have to pay attention to where the light is coming from. So if you look at her face, so if you turn your face this way, if you look at her face, it will look like the Mandalay Bay right now is probably bouncing some light back on her face, so it's helping. But the direction of the light is actually coming from this way. So you can shoot her from either direction if you want. So now you could actually lose the jacket. Raise your chin up this way. Just like that. Just like that. Hold that. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Step it down.
Okay, hey James, could you get up here for a second? All right, I need another light. Let's use this one. What is this on? Channel what?
Channel.
Actually, I could probably use mine. Yeah.
What, one behind her, one? What creative one?
So I'm gonna have you come this way, right there, and then you could go back here, right there is good. And if you guys could move those bags out of the way, move that bag out of the way. All right. So what I want to do with that one is just let it hang on the wall. Point it straight up on the wall. Oh, you have one? Oh, he has a gold axe. You can put it right there. You can put it on that wall right there. Put it on group C. Let me bring it. Actually, let me put it. Oh shit. Yeah, I was in my zone, man. I was in my zone. Sorry. Hang on. Channel 1. Group C. Okay. Let me. Oh, it's on high speed. Okay, good. Test. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. All right, now we're in business. Damn it, let's go. Come on, put that light up. All right, ready? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. This time is extremely leaning forward towards me. Use your legs as a leverage, you know, to lean forward. So bring the leg out, right, and then there you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hang on. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous.
I love that lighting. Yes, bitch, yes. I'm Gia. Well, Giannina. Just call me Gia. It's way easier. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. It's GIANNINA.CARLO. Yeah.
Yo, we out here. My girl Kylie, Kizzy, Corland. I done went through all of the K's.
All right, ready?
Yep.
My name's Corlin Sarico. You can find me on IG at KizzyRico, KIZZYREYKO.
For real.
My name is D-Mac, that's what I'm known on YouTube. My real name is Melvin. You can reach me on Instagram at McKeever Photography. MMCKIEVER.
What do you think about the photo walk today?
I love it, man. This is my first time here. I got a chance to hang out with my two favorite YouTube guys, and we went on a photo walk, and I got some great shots here, man. So
Awesome.
I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You want me to take this off? Oh, just a video, probably.
There you go. You're on the spot. What do you think about the photo walk today?
The photo walk was excellent. We had two beautiful models. They were go-getters. They were risk takers, I guess you could say. And Ernesto and Ike did an excellent job pulling this all together. I'm looking forward for the next PPI photo walk. So Ernesto, let's make that happen. Yeah.
So who you are? Who are you?
Oh, I'm James Parrish, JamesParish photography, based out of Houston, Texas, but shoot wherever you need me.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Next.
What you want to know?
Who you are? Well, first of all, what do you think about the photo walk today?
Photo walk was fantastic. Yeah, it was great. start to finish. Beautiful, like I said, everybody said, beautiful models, great instruction. Had a good time. Had a good time.
And who are you? Where people can find you?
I am Stuart Jones, and you can find me at Focus First Photography, based out of Phoenix, Arizona. So yeah, hit me up. Let's shoot.
Awesome. All right. Hang on. What are you thinking about the photo walk today?
Photowalk was awesome. I'm glad I came down. It was a good learning experience. I'm gonna take it back to Oklahoma City, make some money. And you can find me at charlesbayphotography.com.
Awesome. Thank you. And what do you think of the photo walk today?
My bun look okay?
Your bun is okay.
It was great. I had a good time. I got some hands-on practice with lights, so that was perfect and exactly what I needed.
And who are you and where people can find you?
I am Amber Knowles, and my IG is @amberknowles.com.
Where are you based out of?
Dallas, Texas.
Awesome.